Hi guys, please let your friends also know the session has started. If you have any queries, you can drop it in the Q&A session, guys. Good evening, guys. Please let your friends also know this session has started. I was not present in the yesterday's class, so could you kindly repeat what, how? Okay, okay, no worries. I will be repeating that. No worries, guys. Just we'll be waiting for 10 more minutes because most of your friends haven't joined this session. Please let them know that the session has started. Good evening, guys. Good evening. Please let your friends also know that the session has started. Good evening, Subha. Hi, Vishal. Please, Zoho provides internship certificate. Make it clear. Why Zoho provides internship certificate, guys? Either we provide internship certificate or Google is going to provide you internship certificate, right? Why Zoho is going to provide you internship certificate? Zoho is a platform where you are going to listen the classes. Same like Zoom. The lockdown we have a Zoom classes, right? Same like Zoho. Okay. Zoom is same like Zoho. Zoho is same like Zoom. Okay. You are just listening to the classes here. If you search for a Zoho, it's where it's a well-known company. Not only this meets, they have another, I think, CRM platform. Smart. Coming to the coming to self-running courses, guys, are you working on the which company is internship is conducted by Smart Bridge. Okay, This internship is conducted by SmartBridge. Okay. Coming to self-learning courses, guys, are you working on the self-learning courses given in the Smart Interns portal? Yes, guys. So, as my exams are going to on, so it is difficult to manage both complete labs properly as I have seen classes at last two is to gain clarity our topics and my exams. Okay, no worries, Neha, no worries, Neha. Whenever you are available, please try to join the session. Okay. In other words, if you are having an exam, no need to join. Self-learning, yeah. In Smart Indians portal, you can go through the self-learning. Please go through that and complete it. Okay. When you log in into a Smart Indians portal, you are going to get course in skill validate. You're going to get courses, right? You need to complete those courses also. As some of your friends have shared a screenshots in Telegram channel. Let me highlight that so that you can get it. Think you need to complete them also. Okay, I got a clarity with the courses also. See, reply for that. Or let me download it, save to okay, and I'll be posting that once again. Please complete these courses, guys. It is mandatory to complete. I have got clarity right now. You need to complete those courses also. Hello, hello. Please complete all these self-learning course. Regarding the self-learning courses, I have thought that these are IBM courses, but these are all Google courses, right? You need to work on Google courses. It is mandatory to complete all the Google courses. Yes, sir. I have seen that. And what regarding the projects, guys, no need to worry. Projects, आपको projects अब नहीं है. At the end of the session, we will be discussing about the project. Okay, sir. We have to do only no. For now, you have to complete only beginners learning part. Later on, you are going to work intermediate and advanced. प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए अब हम डिस्कस नहीं कर रहे हैं. प्रोजेक्ट्स का डेडलाइन अब नहीं है. आफ्टर कंप्लीटिंग ऑफ द सेशन होने के बाद जब आप ये सब लैब्स जल्दी कंप्लीट करोगे, लर्निंग पाथ और लैब्स जल्दी करने करोगे, कंप्लीट करोगे लर्निंग पाथ and self-learning path. If you are completing this fastly, then we can continue with the project. Am I clear with that, guys? Can you are you clear now? Yesterday we have discussed clearly when we are going to discuss about the project. अब तो प्रोजेक्ट के बारे में डिस्कस ही नहीं करना चाहिए. अब अब आज से हम लर्निंग पाथ कंप्लीट करेंगे. यस, आई हैव सीन दैट. ओके, एंड व्हाट इज द डेडलाइन? Sure, on the Smart Index platform, there is more than one learning path. Complete only courses for now, guys. मैंने अब तक केवल कोर्सेज के बारे ही बोला था, तो कोर्सेज कंप्लीट करो. ओके, लर्निंग पाथ के बारे में बाद में सब लर्निंग पाथ, जो भी लर्निंग पाथ आपको कंप्लीट करना है उनके लिए क्रेडिट्स चाहिए. वो क्रेडिट्स हम आपको देंगे. अपने अपने फॉर्म्स फिल करने है ना, उस फॉर्म फॉर्म के जरिए आपका डिटेल्स लेंगे और आपको credits देंगे. Am I clear with that? Yesterday you have filled a form. Based on that, we are going to give you credits. Using credits, you can access those intermediate learning path and advanced learning path. Try to focus on self-learning path now. Okay? Whatever the courses are there in the skill wallet section, you need to complete that. Okay, regarding the from where Telegram, I am not, when we have to complete all these courses. You are talking about the courses or learning. Okay. Regarding the learning path, which I have shared, which I will share you, you can complete it till 25th. Okay. The self-learning path, which are present in the Smart Intense portal, Skill Wallets portal, you need to complete it till, let me share. The learning path should be completed till just 18th. 18th, you need to complete the self-learning, self-placed learning, guys. Sir, please discuss chatbot and lab 2. Okay. Lab 2. Okay. Lab 2, we will not discuss today. Okay. Because this is an AMA session. Should ask me anything only. Okay. Today we'll go. Sorry. Today we'll go to VS Code first. Okay. Regarding the chatbot, I need to deploy it. Okay. I'll be sharing your Streamlit code. To deploy that, you need to understand. Thank you a lot for that. Sir, we have complete all the learning path, self-learning or guys, just calm down. But sir, they are all, yeah, Google courses. That was you need to come. I have thought that they are IBM courses. Then that was I'm not didn't force you to complete them. Now I got clarity that they are Google courses. As they are Google courses, you need to complete it. That is mandatory. Sir, issue in lab. What is the issue regarding the lab two, guys? I think most of yesterday I have seen that we are unable to access the lab two. Okay, first I will be sharing you my screen and we'll be going to the form filling process for now. Okay, first फॉर्म फिलिंग के बारे में सुनेंगे, इसके बाद VS कोड ये दोनों कंप्लीट करेंगे. If time permits, I'm going to discuss about the VS code right now. Okay, complete all four of them. There and deadline for this. Regarding the स्किल वैलेट कोर्सेस, स्किल वैलेट में जो कोर्सेस है, आपको वो कोर्सेस को 18th तक कंप्लीट करना चाहिए. 18th तारीख तक. Whatever the courses are present in the skill wallet, you need to complete till 18th July. Am I clear with that, guys? Self-learning path, which I will be sharing you, self-learning is in skill wallet. Self-learning path, learning path will be shared by me. Task 5 is not able to complete. So, is self-learning path and beginner's learning path is same. No. Self-paced learning is different. Self-paced learning है वो, सेल्फ लर्निंग पाथ नहीं है वो. सेल्फ पेस्ड लर्निंग, सेल्फ पेस्ड. आप 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 आपके पेज में कंप्लीट कर रहे हो सेल्फ पेस्ड लर्निंग. आप खुद ही वो कोर्सेज कंप्लीट कर रहे हो, वही है सेल्फ पेस्ड लर्निंग. बट दिस इज द सेम कोर्स दैट वी हैव डन. सो एंड डेडलाइन फॉर द गूगल क्लाउड. ओके इफ ओके जस्ट गिव अ मिनट. If that is the same course, no worries. Just introduction to Gen AI of path intelligence. Are you talking about the first course, Abhinav? Is it the same? तो क्या कर रहे हैं एक बार बता दीजिए क्या करना है एक बार. Yeah, first one. Okay. Introduction to Gen AI learning path. Okay, that is same. No worries, no worries. Just focus on rest of them. Gemini for Google Cloud learning path. Generative AI for developers. Okay, these are learning paths once again. Advanced generative AI of developers learning path. Okay, those are learning path again. Oh, sir, I have completed all the courses till 8. All three learning paths you need to complete. Okay. These courses, I think so. Sorry, guys. No need to worry. These are same, I think so. No worries. I think for learning path, developers for learning path. I'll be getting a clarity regarding that and I'll be informing on Monday what are the courses we need to complete apart from this. Okay. These are same, guys. Okay. जो सर आप बता इस अभी बताओ इस no guys, no, it's only like that. Okay, like okay, okay, I see that issue. Okay, these are same. Okay. कोर्सेस में जो भी दिया है ट्रेनिंग कैलेंडर प्रोजेक्ट असाइनमेंट इंस्ट्रक्शंस ओके let me delete that so I'll be not giving any confusion there. Okay, I can see that those learning path and the learning path we are going to discuss later on will be same. Okay, I thought these are different from them. No worries, no worries. I missed my session, so can I get any information of the previous webinar? Okay, just give me a minute. I think those learning path and whichever I'll be sharing, those are same. No need to worry then. Okay, if they are same, no need to worry. These are, I think, those are mostly same. I think if you click on this Google for Gemini for Google Learning. Okay, no need to worry. No need. Sorry, I got very confused here. I thought these are different from whatever I will be discussing. No worries, no worries. If anything comes up regarding the self-paced learning, I will be let you know. Okay. अब तक तो कुछ भी नहीं है self-paced learning. If anything comes up later on, I'll be discussing on the Monday session. Okay. Am I clear with that, guys? Just give me a thumbs up reaction if you understood. अब तक तो self-paced learning में कुछ भी करना नहीं है. एक कोर्सेस जो दिखा रहे हैं लर्निंग पाथ वो लर्निंग पाथ ही हम डिस्कस करने वाले हैं ये वेबिनार्स में. इसलिए कोई चिंता करने की नहीं है. ये लर्निंग पाथ 18 को क्या करना है वो भूल जाओ. 25 को ये सब लर्निंग पाथ कंप्लीट करना है. वो ये मेन थिंग है. ओके. दिस आई थॉट दिस कोर्सेस आर डिफरेंट. नो वरीज, नो वरीज. I have deleted that also. No need to worry now. Okay, let me share a screen and some of your friends were asking about the form, right? Let me open the form. Control H. Let me share my entire screen. No, my share entire screen. Okay. This is a form, right? This last session was it Palak and yeah, no, was it and someone was asking about the last session. In the last session, we have filled the form. How to fill the form? First, we need to choose that whatever the mail you are sharing, this mail should be recorded or not. Then you need to click on this. Then you have to click on S. Here it is what it is saying that based on if the Google sees any flaws in your Google skill boost account, it is not going to give any credits. That is what it is as explained here overall. And it has said that for Smart Bridge also we are going to share the details. Whatever the details of the courses you have completed, those details also will be shared. And this should be marked and this should be given S. And coming to university, whatever the university you belongs to, choose that particular university. Okay. If your university page is not given here, name is not given here, just click on others and click on next. Okay. After clicking on next, then give your name, give your email. See, this mail should be same mail of whichever the mail you have logged in the skill boost. Skill boost, you have worked, we worked on a project on skill boost, right? Sorry, you have worked on a learning path in skill boost, right? With whichever the mail you have completed this lab, you have completed one lab, right? Whichever the mail you have completed the lab, copy that mail ID. With this mail, I have completed the lab. I'm going to copy my particular mail ID, this mail ID, Ritvik, Konakala Ritvik. Then I have pasted here, email.com. Then public link. Mostly you will understand everything, but most people you are facing an issue at the public link, right? Public link you can find it in the after logging to skill boost, you need to click on this my account, your account details, then settings. After going to settings, just scroll down, then click on this box, select this particular box. For you it will not be selected. You need to select it and click on update. Then your link is going to be, then your link will get here. Okay, if you are not clicking on update, your link is not going to be generated. You need to copy this link, particular link, and paste it here. Okay, am I clear, guys? This is what we have discussed in the previous session. Please complete the form filling. The one who haven't completed the form filling, please complete it. Okay, आपका पब्लिक लिंक किधर मिलेगा? अकाउंट पे क्लिक करो, सेटिंग्स को जाओ, उसके बाद स्क्रॉल डाउन करो, मेक माई पब्लिक लिंक पे क्लिक करो, ये अनसेलेक्ट हो इसको सेलेक्ट करो, उसके बाद अपडेट द सेटिंग्स मारो, उसके बाद आपका पब्लिक लिंक मिलेगा। वो पब्लिक लिंक कॉपी करके इधर पेस्ट करना चाहिए। इफ यू आर नॉट फिलिंग द फॉर्म, यू आर नॉट गोइंग टू गेट द क्रेडिट्स। विदाउट क्रेडिट्स यू कैन नॉट कंप्लीट द अपकमिंग लर्निंग पाथ। ओके, आप आप फॉर्म नहीं फिल करेंगे तो आपको क्रेडिट्स नहीं मिलेंगे। क्रेडिट्स नहीं मिलेंगे तो आप नेक्स्ट लर्निंग पाथ नहीं कंप्लीट कर सकते हैं। आई एम क्लियर विद दैट गाइस? The one who are new to this session, please complete the form. Once again, I'll be sharing the form. Control C. Enter. Please fill the form, guys. Yes, guys, please fill the form. The one who are new to the session, if you are not filling link of the form I have shared you, please follow. Okay, let me. Let's go through VS Code. How many of you know the VS Code, guys? What is a VS Code? Why we use VS Code? I need a response from everyone. Let me close this. Yeah, ID. Okay, sir. When will you explain laptop? Because facing issues the laptop. Okay. I think today isn't just AMA session, guys. We cannot go through labs today because if you have any doubts only, we can go through today. This is not a technical session today. The past session I should discuss about the lab, but most of the we are facing an issue because the content is not currently available. No worries, guys. In the past also we have faced the same issue. If you remember in the past sessions, we have also faced the same issue. Just give it some time. This lab will be opening. Okay, आज नहीं तो कल open हो जाएगा. Please complete it. Okay, no need to worry. Am I clear with that, Shruti? So task file we have facing some issues. Okay, no worries, no worries. Let me check that what is the task and I will be giving a clarity while sharing a screen. Okay, so that you will be not facing any issue there. Okay, no need to worry. चलो लैब्स को एक्टिवेट होने जाने दो, उसके बाद देखेंगे क्या करना है लैब एक्टिविटी 5 में. ओके, let me open the VS Code once again. How to download VS Code, guys? Just go for VS Code. Download VS Code download. If you click on VS Code download, you are going to download VS Code. This is the version you need to download. Okay, Windows 10 and Windows 11. I think it is going to work for Windows 9 also. No worries. Just download it, and after downloading, install it. After downloading VS Code, this is how your platform is going to look like. Whenever you are going through a platform, you need to understand how basically this is an interpreter like IDE. To run your code here, first you need to understand where you can get your how you can get your code from. Here we have an open folder. These are all options, editor options, selections, terminal, and we have a help option where you can find these shortcuts. Show all commands. If I click on this, you can see all the. I think these are all the shortcuts. You can now use this. We have only some few shortcuts. Oh, coming to main thing in an VS Code is to install these extensions. These are all the extensions we have to install in the VS Code. Let me show you some important extensions like Python. To run our Python code, we need to install VS Code. First, we are going to complete in Google Colab. First, we'll be discussing in Google Colab. The later on session, we'll be discussing in Google Colab how to deploy your project. Then we will be deploying the same project in the VS Code. That is the process. Okay. If you are completing this in VS Code installation now, later on we can discuss about how to deploy the project in the VS Code. I'll be writing down, I'll be noting down what you need to install, and I'll be sharing you the extensions you need to install. Extensions of VS Code. Extensions. If you have any query, guys, just drop it in the Q&A session. I'll be answering them. Okay. Extensions. Very first extension is Python. After completing installation of your VS Code, please do that. PyLabs. Let me see that. What is this? And Python debugger. D. What are these extensions? I'll be explaining you detailedly. This Python debugger is whenever you write a code, it will just show you like whenever you forgot brackets. These are all things it is going to help you to go through. The VS Code extension, this is Python debugger and debugs Python. Python debugger provides a semi-debugging, yeah, seamless debugging. This is all the things. And environment. What is an environment? Let me explain what is an environment. Yes, guys, do you know what is an environment? What an environment? Why we use an environment? Sir, my URL details are wrong. Yeah, Sunny, can you share your details? Like, okay, I've already given you the format yesterday. Okay, name, your email, what have you done wrong? Control Z. Sorry. Name and email, and what we have given yesterday. I think what have you done wrong? Name, email, what what have you what have gone wrong? Have done wrong? What have you done wrong? Just type what have you done wrong, and at the end type correct details. Please drop all the extensions. I'll be dropping that. No worries. I'm noting the to drop it. Okay. Why we need an environment, guys? Once again, I control C. Correct details. Whatever the correct details, whatever should be corrected, you drop it. Okay. Yeah. Sunny, follow this format. Okay. Extensions I will be sharing you. What is an environment, guys? At least please explain chatbot. Yeah, chatbot. I'll be explaining you. No worries. I'll the same day we'll be discussing chatbot and how to deploy it. Okay. Same thing will be discussed. So first we need to know VS Code installations, right? The chatbot, I need to work something on chatbot. Sir, my URL details are wrong. Okay. WhatsApp group का QR share कर दीजिए. Yeah, WhatsApp, we don't have any WhatsApp, but we have Telegram channel link. Let me share the Telegram channel link with you. Um, Okay. Can you drop your can you can you please drop the Telegram link, guys, so that your friend can join? What is to deploy chat? Yeah, deploy chatbot means like deploying means let me show you it. Now an Amazon website is Amazon. How we are able to access this website? They have deployed it. Now let me show you one feature of Amazon. I think lately they have introduced a personalized. What do you mean by deployment? Simply, I will give you an example. Like a chatbot is there. In the previous session, we have built a chatbot using a code, right? We have built in the VS Code, right? Whenever a user, whenever you are, whenever you are giving this application to a user, whenever you are showing this application to a user, right? Are you saying him to come to my Google Colab and run your prompt? No, right? No, right? You cannot say that. For the user, you are not going to say that. So we are going to create an interface UI front end. We are going to create some front end pages like this. If you are deploying with the Flash, we can create a multiple pages like this. If you are deploying with the Streamlit, you are going to build an application. Order something for yeah, Vishal. Yeah, we'll okay. So I see you with this comments on second session. No worries. Deploying a project means आपके पास कोड है. Whenever a user want to use your application, जब भी ये यूजर आपका एप्लीकेशन चैटबॉट यूज करना चाहता है वो गूगल कॉलम या वीएस कोड पे आके नहीं यूज करेगा ना. इस उसको एक इंटरफेस चाहिए, एक यूआई चाहिए. वो यूआई को बना के अपलोड करना ही डिप्लॉइंग है. Am I clear with that, guys? Did you understand what is deploying? So yes. No. Okay. Once again, I'll give you examples. Simply. So that one more example I'll try to give you. Okay. Let me think of another example. What is a deployment means? Okay. Okay. Let me think of an example of a career deployment so that you can understand. Cloud example. Just like let me give you an example. Like you are, let's say, you have a cloth business. You are making some cloth, and you are selling, and you are selling in a shop. Yeah, let me say a simple example with that. You are a you are a cloth manufacturer of cloths आप क्लॉथ मेक कर रहे हो और दूसरे आके खरीद के वो उनके शॉप पे रख के वो दाम कुछ चेंज करके भेजेंगे या प्रैक्टिकल रियल टाइम एग्जांपल सिंपली गाइस आपका एप्लीकेशन यूजर को यूज करने के लिए आप डिप्लॉय कर रहे हैं दैट्स इट आपका एप्लीकेशन लाइक ओके आई थिंक वी आर नॉट रियल टाइम see let me give you example of let's say cricket or any streaming platforms. Whenever a video is playing in a website, does the person is going to directly going to a video or is he accessing from the Netflix? He's going to Netflix. There he's going to see the trailer. Okay, it's good. Then he's going to view the video, right? In the same way, if multiple people can access there. If I am seeing a video, the same video also you can see with another account. If I am seeing a video, you cannot see. That is not a process, right? In the same way, deployment is also working in the same way. It is deployed into a cloud. In the cloud, all the people through the internet going to access the website and going to access the website and going to chat with the chatbot. That is what a deployment is. Basically, but we are not going to deploy it in a cloud here. Now we are going to create a front end UI. How Netflix has created a UI for their videos, we are going to create a UI for our chatbot. Am I clear with that? And we are going to write the detailed instructions what we have to do. Same way, Netflix is also going to give us a detailed information instructions. We have a games, we have a movies, we have a series, right? In the same way, we are going to create a UI. That is an UI. आपका जो भी प्रोडक्ट है वो यूजर के जाने के लिए आप यूआई क्रिएट करेंगे. वो यूआई यूज करके multiple users can use your website. Am I clear with that? Now you got clarity with the deployment. Deployment. Can you give me just give me a thumbs up, guys? Thumbs up reaction. Somewhat. Okay, no worries, no worries. When we'll go through the session, we'll be understanding in detail what is deployment means. Deployment means nothing guys. Backend एक कोड रहेगा, फ्रंट एंड एक कोड रहेगा. वो दोनों को जब भी बैकएंड में कुछ फंक्शंस ओपन कर रहे हो तो सॉरी फ्रंट एंड में कुछ भी पेजेस, फ्रंट एंड माने पेजेस, बैक एंड माने और कोड. वॉट एवर द पेजेस, वेन एवर यू आर क्लिकिंग ए बटन, सी व्हेन आई एम क्लिकिंग ए सिंगल बटन लाइक शेयर माई स्क्रीन, this is how this button works. Is defined by back end people. Front end people, how this button is going to look. एक ऐसा look होना चाहिए. They are going to draw this. This is defined by the front end people. Back end people are going to, if I am clicking on new, how it is designed. This is decided by the back end people. And how this button is going to look. कैसे दिखेगा, क्या करेगा, कैसे दिखेगा. क्या करेगा वो बैक एंड पीपल करेंगे, क्या करना चाहिए, या कैसे दिखेगा वो फ्रंट एंड करेंगे. ये दोनों मिला के डिप्लॉयमेंट को बोलो. या इस फुल स्टैक बोल सकते हैं, डिप्लॉयमेंट बोल सकते हैं, एप्लीकेशन को एप्लीकेशन डिप्लॉयमेंट, वेबसाइट डिप्लॉयमेंट. these are all comes under the. Okay, I hope you got some clarity regarding deployment. No worries. Do you know what is an environment, guys? Do you know what is an environment? Yeah, Shruti, why are you sharing your details? Can you clarify me that? Why are you sharing your details? I didn't ask anyone to share your details, right? The Sunny has shared the details because he has filled the details wrong. That's why he's sharing the details. Okay, no worries. If you have filled your details wrong, please, my URL is okay. What is an environment? Python environment also you need to install. View. What is an environment? We need to understand. Environment. To run your application or to run your code, whenever to run your application, to run your application or your code, you need some libraries. You need some libraries. Yesterday, in the last class, we have discussed in the last note. I think in the Wednesday's class. In the Wednesday's class, we have discussed pip install Google Gen AI. If you remember, we have done pip install Google Gen AI. Sir, beat what? Okay. Had you proposed my data? This data is not going to be processed by me. This data is not going to be seen by me. Okay, checked by me. This data is going to be checked by Google people. I think we need to come different language. Yeah, that's good. That's good. for different language or different applications also, you can say. Let's say, okay, let me clear this. Libraries. To run our application, we to run our application to run your application, you need some libraries. Like, let me show you. In the past code, I think Google Colab, we have done that. Google Colab, Colab, Google Colab. Let me open the Google Colab. I didn't change my name. Okay, sorry, this is not the code. Okay. To run a code, you need some libraries, guys. What is a library? You will ask me. Means, let me show you example of that. Let me open a recent file so that you can understand this. Recent file, Stalker. Okay, right now there is only AWS project. File, recent files, Grammar Guru, Great Mobile. These are all the libraries. Flask is a library. Boto 3 is a library. Why these libraries are needed? To run your code. Like, let me give you an example. To understanding a meaning of a particular language, from meaning from a particular language, you are going to library and you are going to search in the specific section. In the same way, to run a code, we need a library. Okay, am I understood? Have you understood this? Let me say that आपको science, if you want to learn science, first you need to go to the science library and read those books. In the same way, for the code, for the application to run, it also needs some details. That details are provided by the libraries. Okay, and these libraries are need to be installed every time. Whenever you are using a VS Code, they need to be installed every time. To not install them every time, we are going to use an environment. To run a applications, we need a library. Simply understand, guys. To run a application, we need some libraries. आपको application रनने का कोड और application रनने करने के लिए आपको libraries चाहिए. Libraries में जो भी details हमको चाहिए कोड रन करने के लिए वो libraries में होंगे. But sir, then it should be depends now as we can access library with the help of dependence. Yeah, just give it. Yeah, same. That's a question. आपको AWS प्रोजेक्ट करने के लिए आई थिंक वी नीड टू okay. Today, how long the session will last? The session is going to be ended in 10 more minutes. No worries. Today we'll be discussing about the environment and the extensions you need to install. That will be covered in this session. In the VS Code, what is a library, what is an environment, will be understand. Yeah, great question. Great question. Based on the application, we need different libraries, right? Here, this is an AWS application. If you check this, this is an AWS application, AWS region. This is going to be AWS application. This particular AWS application need Boto 3, decimal, data type. These are all the libraries needed for this particular application to. ओके, AWS को रन करने के लिए आपको Boto 3, decimal. Let me give another. I think they have like Flask, SQ, Alchemy, SQL Alchemy. These are all the libraries to run an Alchemy. Okay, these are all the libraries needed to run an AWS application. To run a GenAI application, you need, let's say, Hugging Face, Hugging Face, transformers. These are some libraries we have. Basically, आपको ए रन करने के लिए ये वाला लाइब्रेरी चाहिए, जेने रन करने के लिए ये वाला लाइब्रेरी चाहिए। डेटा, लेट्स से डीप लर्निंग प्रोजेक्ट बिल्ड कर रहे हैं आप, ये डीप लर्निंग के लिए कुछ और लाइब्रेरीज चाहिए, लाइक टेंसर फ्लो एंड कीरास। सो to run this application, we are going to create an environment called AWS environment. In this environment, all these libraries will be installed. Okay. For Gen AI application, you are going to create Gen AI AW. Let's say Gen and ENV, Gen ENV. Then you are going to, for DL, you are going to create DL ENV. I hope you have understood now. इस वाले एप्लीकेशन रन करने के लिए कुछ लाइब्रेरीज चाहिए। वो लाइब्रेरीज बार बार इंस्टॉल मत करने के लिए आप एक एनवायरनमेंट क्रिएट करेंगे, उस पे वो लाइब्रेरीज इंस्टॉल करेंगे। If you see, I have multiple environments for this. Okay, I'll be opening my interpreter so that you can understand this terminal. Let me show you, or I'll be showing you my folders only, how many environments I have. Am I clear with that, guys? To run an application, we need some libraries. Those libraries and these libraries are present in environment. बार बार इंस्टॉल करने के मत करने के लिए आप ये एनवायरनमेंट को यूज करेंगे। ये एनवायरनमेंट को, लाइक लेट मी से, टू लर्निंग, लेट्स से आप ऑफिस में एक एनवायरनमेंट है, स्कूल में एक एनवायरनमेंट है, और घर पे एक एनवायरनमेंट। ऑफिस वाले एनवायरनमेंट पे आपको लैपटॉप चाहिए, कंप्यूटर चाहिए, और चेयर्स चाहिए, कंफर्टेबल चेयर्स चाहिए। और स्कूल में एक प्रोजेक्टर चाहिए, एक सम बेंचेस चाहिए, और लेट्स से ब्लैक बोर्ड चाहिए, और घर पे चेयर चाहिए, बेड चाहिए, ये सब चाहिए। वैसे ही आप AWS एनवायरनमेंट में फ्लास्क ए वाले लाइब्रेरीज चाहिए, लेट्स से दीज आर कंप्यूटर्स एंड फर्नीचर। सेम ऑफिस में फर्नीचर कैसे चाहिए, और लैपटॉप कैसे चाहिए, ऐसा ही AWS को रन करने के लिए कुछ लाइब्रेरीज चाहिए। ये AWS एप्लीकेशन रन करने के लिए कुछ लाइब्रेरीज चाहिए। वो लाइब्रेरीज हम एक एनवायरनमेंट में अप डाउनलोड करके रखेंगे। आई एम क्लियर विद दैट, गाइस? व्हाट इज एन एनवायरनमेंट नाउ? I have given a very simple example, guys. Did you understood that what is an environment is? I need a response from everyone. What's this one depends on, yeah, depend. Basically, these are only the libraries needed for to run in, let's say, to run an AWS, we have only some libraries. To run an GenAI, we have only some libraries. To run an TL like TL algorithm, we need only some libraries. Same example as workplace, office place, workplace, learning place, home. We need some furniture for home. We need some items to call it as a home. We need some items to call it as an office, right? In the same way, we need some libraries to run this particular application. These applications will be downloaded there. Am I clear with that, guys? I need a response from everyone. What is an environment? Did you understand what is an environment? How the environment works? We needed some libraries. Yeah. I need a response from everyone, guys. Thank you. Thank you for your response, guys. I hope you have understood what is a libraries. These are the libraries and it will be stored in the environment. So we are not going to install them every time. So we are going to store in an environment. If you are activating this environment, we are going to say that all developed applications can be running this application. Only we have some libraries for particular environment. So that some libraries for particular application that will be stored this in this environment. The libraries will be stored in this application environment. Coming to extensions, what you need to cover, I have discussed about the Django. Okay, Django, I will check that. Code Runner, let's say Runner is another extension you need to download. Control B. And GitHub Copilot is mostly not needed, but let it be. Copilot chart, Control C. Here they will be discussing you detailedly what is an Copilot. Everything is given will be covered. Share chat. They'll give you a detailed explanation why we are going to use an Copilot and Django, Jupyter. To run our Jupyter code, we have Jupyter. Cell tags, Jupyter, key map. These are all the extensions. For now, will be needed to complete our project. Live server, okay. Live server. Pylons, decoder, Python extension packages. These are also needed. This is mandatory. Control C. These are all the control A. Python indeed. Control C. Whenever you are forgetting anything, it will no need to type. Control V. Okay, a demonstration video is given also. See, have given out. He will be only giving the first bracket. Next bracket will be automatically. This will make your coding process easy. That's it. Auto doc. That is not needed mostly. Code runner. Okay. Jupyter notebook. Okay. These extensions I will be dropping in the Q&A session. Please download these extensions. Install VS Code and install these extensions also. With this, I'm going to end this session. I got it, sir. Okay. Thank you, guys. Thank you for your response. If you have any more queries, you can ask me now. What is an environment? I hope you have understood now. To run your application, we need some libraries. These libraries will be you need to install whenever you need to run this application. To not do that, you are going to automatically install it in a environment and you are going to work on it. You need to activate that. That will be explained you. No worries. Explain to you whenever you are working on it. Complete VS Code. Later on, we will be working on VS Code also. In this session, this is not a teaching session here, but I am trying to teach you in this session also to not waste our time. You can get a more access of our knowledge. Okay. Bye guys. See you tomorrow on Monday. Not tomorrow, on Monday. So today's session link. Today's session link. What? You are asking about recording? Recording will be uploaded. Okay, no worries, no worries. YouTube link. I've already pasted in the Telegram channel. You can check it there. YouTube link. Right now, I don't have that particular YouTube link. Let me check it once again. Advantage. YouTube. Okay, I got it. I have it. I have. Let me share this. Here you can find the our YouTube videos. Okay, guys. With this, I'm ending the session. Bye. If you have any more queries, you can let me know in the Telegram channel. Thank you, guys. Thank you for joining. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. Thank you, Abhinav. Thank you, Abhishek. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. Drop tele. Okay, I'll be dropping in the Telegram channel also. Okay. Bye. Bye. Bye, guys. See you tomorrow. See you on Monday. Bye. Have